That was violent.
Before this video starts, I just want to make sure everyone knows that for every single board broken in this video, we are donating a skateboard to the We Skate Mangu Foundation. It is a foundation out in Zambia in which the local kids are learning how to skateboard out there. It's really, really amazing, and we're gonna donate 20 boards to them right after we're done with this video. So before this video starts, I want to make sure you guys know that. I thought that was gonna go better. Yeah!
That's what I'm talking
Get the anger out!
It doesn't work.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my, I think I broke the blade.
Oh!
You're almost there.
Is he going through it all?
Try it on the floor. This looks crazy.
Yeah, take it out. Give it a swing.
Come give it.
Give it a go.
I want to give it a whack. I want to whack it. Here we go, brothers. Vanquish.
Quick.
Yeah!
Thanks for grabbing that. That was the first one.
This is 20 ways to break a skateboard. Number 1, the machete. Toss me. Toss it up. Oh, wait, whoa. I was just gonna hand you the whole thing. All right. Now we just gotta think about number 2 through 20. Number 2 way to break a skateboard, the rail.
Hey, you never seen a board break on a rail before?
Why was that so easy? That was literally the easiest thing ever.
This thing's heavy.
The 3rd way to break a skateboard, with your mind. What? How did you do that? What?
With your mind.
Why is no one else impressed? Did anyone see that? He literally just broke the freaking board with his mind. How to break your board, number 4, the freestyle snap. Does that count? Oh, yeah! How to break a board, number 5, Mowgli's bump to bar.
Here goes.
Oh my gosh! I mean, that happens in all the time when you're trying to learn tray flip lip, 270 lip, that happens. That's happened to me. That exploded.
Bump to bar snapper. Leave a comment if this happened to you before while you try to skate a bump to bar or a flat bar.
How to break your skateboard, number 6. Be like the Godfather.
I broke the truck.
That's how you break a board like the Godfather. Ain't that right?
That's
Almost hurt my ankle breaking.
I swear. What? How to break a skateboard, number 7, the guillotine. Oh my God!
That was awesome.
Dan, that was the best aim ever.
That was amazing.
Dude, that's got to be the cleanest break ever right there.
That's the best break.
You just won. You just won. Way to break your skateboard number 8, the dark stall.
Oh!
How to break a skateboard number 9, the moto kicks.
Oh! God damn! Be careful. Why isn't this one breaking?
Well, we've gone through every iteration of how I thought that a moto kick could break it. There's only one way left. No skateboard is getting in the way of my moto kicking.
And they still work. Moto kick quality. Moto kicks are the best.
How to break a skateboard number 10, the 3 block.
Oh!
How to break a skateboard number 11, the old school kickflip.
Oh!
How to break a skateboard number 12, the Spider-Man.
Yeah!
Oh,
Yes!
it's too late. I'm already up. You ready?
Say it, number 13.
Number 13.
Whatever name you want.
The Speeding Smasher.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dang!
How to break your skateboard number 14, ollie onto it off of the 5-stair.
Oh my gosh! And you actually broke it! That's amazing!
Throw it away too.
Yeah!
How to break your skateboard number 15. I'm not even gonna say it, just watch.
Wait, what? Oh, no. Yeah. Wait, you did not just do that.
I knew his reaction.
Did you know that, Nigel? Nigel, did you know he's a black belt? Because I did not.
You're a black belt?
I don't want to talk about it.
I feel like Mowgli has a past of life that I just don't know
I
about.
was not expecting that in the slightest bit at all. I thought you were literally either gonna break it on that or break it on the rail, and then you go, ah!
Did you get it? Number 16 and 17, 2 boards. Can a car break it?
Oh my god! That was violent. That's toast.
All right, so we have another board. Dan wants to repeat number 7 with an actual real skateboard to see what happens.
Okay.
So this is not a new number, this is just number 7 part 2.
I gotta warn people. Hey, don't come out for like 30 seconds.
Would you mind use this mug?
Where'd
If
you
you dare.
find it?
On a shelf.
Yeah, I'd wash it.
But also, don't come out for like a minute, because you might die.
Wow!
It's still broke.
That's still impressive.
Don't let metal hit you.
Number 18, the Braille drop. Number 19, when you don't break the board decides to break you.
That was nice.
I did not expect that, dude.
Telling me.
Number 20, the Aaron Pyro. Look at, you tell him to go grab fire and he's out. I've never seen him more excited for anything, literally anything.
He's trying to light it up. I'm gonna set him up perfect.
Hi, my name's Aaron Pyro, and I'm a pyro from the San Francisco Bay Area, and we're gonna light some stuff on fire today. Yeehaw, brother! Scientifically correct. How
Oh,
much
it's
do we
rolling.
give it?
It's rolling. Hey, give me a bit of a trail. Ladder up. Oh man. Yes. Wow.
Hey, kickflip it. I would not kickflip it.
No.
There's a puddle on
There's a
there.
puddle.
Tilt it first.
Go,
and
go,
then
go, go,
kickflip.
go.
All right, now kickflip.
Now you can do it.
Now
Yeah.
you can kickflip. Oh, you got the good trucks and wheels on there? Ah!
Go, go, go.
It's already good now. All right, kickflip on it. Come on, fool, you don't know how to light a fire?
Tip it over first.
No, wait for that puddle to just get smaller.
We just gotta wait for the puddle.
Let's go. Let's go.
Who's gonna try it? Go!
Oh, don't try to grab it.
God.
All right, the wall. We gotta put it against the wall.
Come on, go. Come on.
I like it.
You still didn't break it.
It melted it back together. Wow, snap. Just like that.
That was 20 ways to break a skateboard. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard.
It's done.